So I've been waiting for this for quite a while now, maybe since about July, and these finally got in stock everywhere and shipped out like last week. These are the Final Fantasy VII Polygon figures. These are blind boxed. I think once again, Ultraman and 2B are gonna have to move. Oh god, Ultraman already fell down. Um, so this is a full box. Really, all I want are a couple of these. Mainly, I want Tifa, and I want the Chaser figure. And you might be saying, why'd you get the full box then? Because it's actually cheaper. If you look up the prices online of like these figures individually, they're like 30 bucks. This was about 60. So getting the full box was cheaper than trying to track down the ones that I wanted. So if I get even one of those, and then just a couple of the other random ones, that'd be fine. But crossing my fingers here, hoping that I get at least Tifa, and ideally I'd get the Chaser too, but I know how unlikely that is. And this is also why I don't get blind boxed stuff very often, because it gives me a lot of agita. So I know I can open this kind of like one of the like the store display. You can see where it's kind of serrated, like there. You can cut it to make it look like a store display, but I will not be doing that. I'm a sucker for like nice packaging, and this looks quite good. So I would rather keep this like this. It's very simple, but if I also want to keep the extras in packaging somewhere, I can just store them in here and throw it in the closet with the rest of my boxes. And I don't know what channel I'm going to put this on. I could put this on either my figure channel or my video game channel, because there's kind of a gamification of this, right? You're opening up, it's like I'm opening up loot boxes. Maybe I'll just put it on both. Why not? Screw it, YOLO. Alright, so here we have, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could have just doubled that and said 8 once I knew that there were 4. I'm hoping this is a full set. That would be very nice. That doesn't, just because it has Cloud on there, that doesn't mean that this one's definitely Cloud, right? Let me check, because that would be crappy. Okay, no. I was gonna say, if everyone said which one it was on, that would be kind of annoying. See, I kind of love, I don't even want to open these. I kind of just like having like the boxes. Oh man. If I do this and I don't get the Chaser, there's a very good chance I get another box. Because like, I don't know, I kind of love it. It's kind of fun. So I'm just gonna get all of these out and then start opening them. See, we don't have fun stuff like this over here. All right, I'm gonna just kind of switch them around just in case they were in any kind of like a some sort of an order. I'm gonna switch them around a little bit, make it more interesting, because I did watch someone unbox one of these back in July, and they were all pretty much in the same like locations. So, all right, let's give it a go. I kind of wish there was a way to open these without like ruining the box. But here we go. Let's open this first one and hope it's a good one. Imagine if I got Tifa immediately. So, all right, who we got? I don't know what this is. These are like little weight things. What do we got? We got, looks like Sephiroth. So the first one we got is Sephiroth, which is a pretty good little one. I'm not upset with this. Sephiroth's a cool character. He's like kind of facing forward. He's kind of facing forward a little too much. I don't know what that's about. These are very tiny, by the way. These are supposed to be this small, but yeah, it could kind of be a little, you know, that's another one of the reasons why paying $30 for one of these is not great, and why I would rather just spend it for the whole thing. So we got number 2. Again, I keep doing this off screen. This is a big one. Okay, it's Red 13, it looks like. Got a little puppy. These are very nice. I wish more companies would do stuff like this because I really like the Polygon look. Like these are the in-game models basically of what these characters used to look like. I think that's pretty neat. Let's get these boxes out of here. I don't know what these weights are in here. Once again, I'm doing it off screen. Let's just pull the tab. That did not go quite as planned. Come on, give me a Tifa. Give me a Tifa. Give me the chaser. What is this? Oh, there we go. That's one. It's one that I wanted. So far, no doubles, which is nice. Man, this one's really tiny. But it's okay. It's the one I wanted. So, as far as I'm concerned, this is a success. If we don't get the chaser, that's fine. Because we got my babe. We got my wife. We've got Tifa. I don't know how this would work if Capcom were to try one of these with Resident Evil, because they were a little bit more detailed than the Final Fantasy character models. But I would like to see that. Again, it's a video where I got to mention that I want more Resident Evil merchandise. All right, here we go. We're going to get one fell little motion here. Nope. Can't be done. No one's ever done it before. It's those weight things. I can't see what this one is, so I'm going to unwrap it like this. It is Aerith. It's okay. It's another good one. If I don't get the chaser, I'll probably display them with Cloud, Aerith, and Tifa. So, there you go. Oh, maybe the weights are in there, so you can't... Like, if you were to actually go to a store and set these up, it would be like, hey, you can't feel how heavy one of these is over, like, another one. Alright, Red 13, you gotta go. Why do they call him Red 13? He's orange. Weren't really thinking when they named that guy. Oh my god. Oh, I got it. I'm so incredibly happy that I got the chaser. Oh my god. I really didn't think I was gonna get it. Because I don't think it's guaranteed. Because again, I watched Mega 64 actually. I watched 3 of them open up 3 separate ones, and only one of them got it. This is incredible. First try, baby. You cannot stop me. So there he is. We got Cloud in the dress. Absolutely incredible. God, I love that. If I don't get normal Cloud, I'm going to be kind of disappointed. Who am I missing? I'm missing Cloud, Barrett, and the other guy, whose name I never remember. Is it Reno? So there's 3 characters that I'm missing and 3 boxes. So maybe I get all of them. Maybe I'm missing one. I don't know if the variant Cloud means that I'm missing the regular Cloud, but that would not be too fun, in my opinion. So here we go. One fell swoop. Nope. Again, cannot be done. Impossible. I'm like over the moon that I got that. Alright, this is normal Cloud. By the way, I did not know that Cloud's mom's name is Claudia. And that seems like pretty dumb, in my opinion. Why is Cloud's mom's name Claudia? It's too similar to his own name. What is his dad's name? So there you got normal Cloud. Pretty cool. Good looking. I don't think these are articulated, right? No. Because this one kind of looks like you can move his arm, but I don't think you can. So there you go. We got Cloud. And this is it's the superior Cloud. I mean, you cannot deny that this Cloud is better than this one. Look at it. We truly do stand Cloud in a dress. All right. So we got Barrett and the other guy. Let me make sure I didn't just make up his name. Yeah, I was right. It's been a while since I played the original game, and I don't honestly remember him in the remake, even though I know he was there. Alright, that's Barrett. That's unmistakably Barrett. He's the biggest one. He's the biggest boy, folks. Yeah, this one, I kind of wish they were all this big, and Barrett was bigger. Because this, I feel like, is a good size. This is a nice, good size. He a big boy, so you can see the difference between him and Cloud. I kind of wish they were all this size, and Barrett was even bigger. I love how, like, just simple it is. It's just a block on his hand. His fist has just a little tiny little square there for his thumb. That's incredible. These are really cool. I really like these, so that obviously means that the last one probably is Reno. Ooh, that was close. I almost got it that time. Alright, we got those weights. Yep, there he is. This one's weird. He's like hunched over. So there you go. There's Reno. Reno 911. Let's put him like in the back there. We got Sephiroth. So there they are. The Final Fantasy VII Polygon figures, which I am very happy to report back with a full set. These two here I'm the most happy with, even though my camera obviously wants to focus on Sephiroth. So I'm very happy about that. There's a lot of plastic that came with these, maybe unnecessarily so. I'd like to see them continue with these. I really like the idea of this kind of a product, and I wish that more companies would do it. I'd love to see like Nintendo do like an Earthbound series of this or something like that. Obviously, I'd like to see Capcom do a Resident Evil version, but again, I think these are less detailed. The character models in Final Fantasy VII were less detailed than something like yeah, that's not even going to want to focus. Than something like Resident Evil. But I'd like to see them try, because I'd like to see more Resident Evil merchandise. But anyway, thank you for watching. I think the next video I'm going to make is also Final Fantasy related, because they've got a Play Arts Tifa, and I can't not get that. So, hold on, this is a weird angle. You're not seeing this how I'm seeing this. The camera's seeing this differently. They look like they're all right next to each other, but they're not. It's a bit of camera trickery, some film magic. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully if you get these, if you're interested in these, you luck out and get what you wanted. I got incredibly lucky with the Chaser Cloud. So I shall see you probably in December.